Have Joey here from, well, where are you from, Joey? I think you're from somewhere, what, parts unknown, right?
Yeah.
No, where are you from?
North Jackson, Ohio.
North Jackson, Ohio. So you were here obviously all weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for the Details R Certified Detailer Private Licensee Training Program and JADE certification. Okay.
Yep.
So what did you think of the business class on Friday?
Oh, unbelievable. I learned a lot.
Definitely help you?
Everything you need to know to get going. Yep.
Excellent.
And then
we're
some.
and then some. And of course, I'm here for you afterwards too.
Yep.
So what about Saturday, which was yesterday, the exterior training, which is the contact wash, paint correction, ceramic coating. It was a long day, and you and our other student, which we'll get to in a minute, made this Jeep Cherokee look amazing because it looked like it was originally in the gutter when it got here.
Oh, it was bad. That's the worst I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what did you think of the exterior training?
Oh, it was great. I had no idea there was that much involved in detailing a vehicle.
Are you more confident now that you can
Absolutely.
perform paint correction, polishing, and ceramic coating?
Absolutely.
Excellent. Today was the interior cleaning, detailing, and coating training. What did you think of that?
The same thing. I had no idea how much there was involved. It was really, really good.
So you're confident now that you can go out and really make some good money
Definitely.
providing cleaning, detailing, and ceramic coating?
Definitely.
Excellent.
Yep.
Actually, you're an excellent student, man. You are now
Thank you.
Detail czar certified, brother. Congratulations.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.